Hey guys, welcome to my recipes. Today we'll be making blueberry milk. Due to its high nutrition value, it's also one of the most famous fruit milks in Korea right now aside from strawberry and banana milk. It's definitely worth trying. So firstly, for the ingredients, we've prepared 125 grams of blueberries, 30 grams of brown sugar and 250 grams of milk. Here we've already washed the blueberries and divided them into two portions, one weighing 90 grams and another smaller portion weighing 35 grams. So to start off, we'll have to place the blueberry with the bigger portion into a blender cup and pour in the brown sugar. Then, with a hand blender, we'll need to blend them till they turn into puree. You may use a fork or a potato masher if you don't have a hand blender. It will work too. Once you have your puree, it's time to add in the other smaller portion of blueberries into it. We'll need to stir it gently and let the blueberries mix in evenly with the puree. When we're done mixing, we'll need to cover the top of the cup with a lid or plastic wrap and chill it in the refrigerator for about at least an hour. Now, to make the blueberry milk, just pour in the blueberry puree you've chilled earlier into a serving glass. Then, pour in the cold milk and stir it with a straw. Do note, I'm using a 450 ml glass jar here, and this recipe is only for the serving of one. So if you want to have a bigger serving, you may scale up the portion accordingly. And there you go. You have yourself a jar of refreshing and delicious blueberry milk. So if you like this video, do leave a like or comment and subscribe to our channel.